Go.
Hello!
Hello, Mr. Ari, are you right?
Yes.
Okay, so today we're given a list of string, like A, B, C, a list of string, a string array.
A, B, C.
And then maybe A, B, C, and B, C. Okay, that's it. So if I tell you that you can, for each so this is a list of string with three strings, and you are allowed to move the letters, rearrange the letters, so rearrange the characters.
Yeah.
So basically, you can put the A, B, C. You can just
Move it,
rearrange it.
move it to different strings.
Yeah. Any letter, any string, any position, and can you make all the strings equal?
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is quite obvious. So how do you move it?
You move second string or one of it doesn't matter to
beginning, yeah. So that will become A, B, C. Okay. So another example. Okay. A, C, D.
Wait, can we move move the letters to the strings as many times as we want?
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay.
Just trying to make it complicated.
Can you for this one? Can you make it the same by rearranging the letters? Yeah. Any position. So yeah, can you do it?
Yeah.
Why?
This one too.
Yeah.
It's so easy.
Yeah. But this is ADC, but this is ACD. But that's okay. You can just move. Yeah. Move to any. You can still. Yeah. So because you can move the characters around to any strings, any positions. Okay. So given a list of strings, how can we make sure? How can we check? Can we do it? So what's your idea? I mean.
So firstly.
Yeah.
I normally see how many strings are there.
Yeah.
So far there's 3.
Okay.
And
N equals, if this is the array, okay? Okay, N equals length AR, okay? So we got the length.
But firstly, I trying to find out the characters and see if it can divide it by n because.
So in Python, we want to count the number of frequencies for a string, right? So what kind of data structure we're using? How can we count? Remember how can we count? How can we count? For example, this
Counter?
is we're done counter. So look, so counter. So counter what? You count this string, all the string combined.
You add them together.
Add them together, yeah? You can have a string and add it together. And how can we make all the strings together? Concatenate all the strings in a list together. We use what? Join, well done. So we join with empty string, yeah? So join ARR, right? Now S will be the keys will be the character. The value will be what? Now what's S? What's in S? S is the key value pair, right? Key value pair. So what are the keys? Keys are the character, right? The unique characters, yeah?
Yeah.
The values will be what?
The
number of times they appear in all the strings, yeah? Yeah? Okay, so the number of times. And then what should we do now? We just need to go through each value to see if what? Can be what?
Divided
by n, right? So how can we check that? Which operator? Do you remember this modulus? Yeah. So this modulus n equal what? 0. Yeah, well done. Okay, so let's try this. And think about the time and space complexity, okay? I'm going to ask you in 1 minute. Define, check, array, let's say what? S, okay? S in array, okay? Now what do we do? N will be length of S, and then actually let's say ARR, array of list, and then S will be equals join ARR, right? So S is a string of the all together, all the strings in all the list, and then C will be the counter S, right? So C will be the key value pairs. Key is the unique characters. The values will be the number of times they appear in all the list, all the strings. And then what should we do now? So we can go through for I in C dot values, right? Yeah, we're going to the value. If I modulus what? I modulus which value? N.
Equals.
If we not equal to 0, return what?
False.
Yeah, and then at the end we want to return true, right? What's the time complexity?
N.
Join on, counter on, values on, okay? What's the space complexity? Are we using any space here?
1.
Are we?
No,
N here. Counter.
Counter.
N is the number of the characters in all the strings combined, okay? Yeah? The number of characters in all the strings combined, okay? Okay, so we can do this, make this shorter, okay? So we can do this. Yeah, we can just return or, right? Or what? Let's say x modulus n equal 0 for
What's
X.
X?
Yeah, for x in C dot
I mean, what is X?
value. Here, here, I define x here. For x in C dot value, or means every x in C dot value, it needs to be modulo by n equal 0, okay? Right? These 4 lines can be replaced by this one. And then C dot counter S, you can move this into one line, right? Right? So C can move here, right? So you save one line, and look, n can move here, okay? So what does it mean? A one line. Or x modulus length ARR equal 0 for x in counter string dot join ARR, right? The values, all right? So you just need one line, okay? Got it?
Can you write that whole thing so it's not confusing that we need to read in different places?
Yeah. I think I particularly think this is better because it's more clear, right? If you squeeze everything into one line, it'll be harder to understand, right? But some people fancy this one line. So in Python, you can do this one liner. Okay, so some people prefer this, but I personally like this. It's more clear, but it's the same, yeah? It's the same, yeah? Got it?
One liner.
Yeah, because look, it's easier, yeah? Got it? So you don't need to do this. You know, this is fancy, but you don't actually need it, right? You don't actually need here. So what I'm going to do is
gonna rub it out.
Yeah, I'm going to rub this out. Okay?
Look,
Yeah, come on. What? For what? Come on.
4. Okay.
Okay, for what? Come on.
4.
Yeah, for what?
I.
Okay. In what?
In.
C is the dictionary. We're going to go through the keys or values. C.
Then.
C dot what?
C dot.
C dot what? Key or value?
C dot.
Keys are the unique elements. Values are the number of times they appear. And values bracket. Okay. Values. USES bracket. comma. Okay, and then we want to check if I what? If I'm
writing if.
Yeah, come on, write it perfectly.
If I modulus.
Yeah.
And no, I mean.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
not
Equal 0. Yeah. Return false, whether, and otherwise at the end, if none of the violation we found, then we return true, obviously. Okay.
Ta-da.
Well done, very well done today. Okay. Say bye bye. That's it.